Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is fifth video in this series, and today we'll be discussing about headers and footers. For those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating an e-commerce website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. In our previous video, we have discussed how we can create a product page, a super amazing product page. I'm going to show you the exact product page that we have built. As you can see, this is the product page and we have created this from scratch. In our upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how we can optimize this product page more. But in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create headers and footers. Okay. And for those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating a playlist as I mentioned, and the link of that playlist will be in the description below, and everything is free. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can do this. In order to log in into our panel, we need to go to website and slash wp admin. Once we hit it, we need to log in into our website. I have my user credential right here. Alright guys, I'm here right now, and we need to create our header and footer. Okay, so let's go ahead and create them. Before we have to create them, we need to create few pages as well, right? That is how you will be able to add these pages in your headers and footers, right? So what pages do we need? We already have my account page that is by default formed by WooCommerce. We have refund policy, we have privacy policy. So we need to make how many pages? Let's see. Terms of service. You need to create this page. Then shipping policy. You need to create this page. And then let me check. Contact us. This page. And after that, contact us privacy policy. Okay. For now, we need these pages. Let's create them. Okay. So all you need to do is hit on add new to create any new page. Here, let's skip this contact this. Okay, now hit publish guys. We're not going to create this exact page, we just want to create page so that we can add it in header and footer. Once we add it in header and footer, I'm going to show you how you can create these pages. Okay, so we have created our contact us page. Let's create terms of service. Hit publish. Okay. Now let's create shipping policy. Okay. Now we have created these pages. In order to create an header, we need to go to header, and here you can see these are the options through which we are going to create our header. And in order to create header, we need to create menu first, right? So for us to create menu, we need to go to we can create menu by two methods. You can go to this one and hit on create menu. Okay, if you want this menu to be primary, which means here, if you want this to be here, then you need to click on this one. Let's name it main menu, right? Next, in this menu, what we wanted to have home page obviously, and after that we need to have contact us page as well. We need to have my account page. We need to have shop page. Okay, this and this contact us. Navigation label, Get to account. Yes. Home, shop, contact us, account. If we want, we can have our policy page as well. Okay, for if you want to have policy page, let's go to custom link. Text will be our policy. Okay, in order to add our policy, we can add privacy policy, refund policy, shipping policy. Okay, I think we don't need to create one, but still, let me show you how you can create this one, right? So if we go to view, we'll have this one. It edit to menu. Let's hit publish. Right. So if we hit that, as you can see, I'm here in my desktop setting. This HTML is for this one. Okay, this one. So when I have imported that file, all these things have already been made. If you want to change it, you need to click on it, and as you can see, you can change it right now. Okay, so we can I mean, this is the tablet view. Desktop view, in desktop view you'll be seeing free delivery COD available and up to 40% sale. Just here you can see. If you want to change it, as we know, some of you might be from outside India and their COD is not available, so what you can do, you can remove it, right? And just hit on publish. Now let's see here. If you want to have 50% discount, then you can have 50% discount. If you want to have a coupon code here for user, then you can enter coupon code. Okay, so right now we have done this for our desktop version. If you see, we have not done it for uh, mobile version or tablet version. So what we can do, we can go to the customization, we can click on it, and you can click this one, and as you can see, COD available is here. Then I can enter 40%, 40% to 40% off. Then hit publish. As you can see, if you want to change the color, I can change font color from here, right? If you want to change this color, then you need to click on this one and you can change this color. Let me show you. See, the black is available. Right now I don't want to change it, so I'll keep it like this. If you want to have border, similarly you can have border. This means that you don't have any border. If you want to have border, you can have this one, and then you need to select the color for that border. But right now we don't need it. There are so many options that you can do, and depending on what you prefer, you can have it. Okay, so uh, this up top row header has already been done, right? And now we need to go with this one. This primary navigation is actually, primary navigation has been set already, because you know, while we are creating menu, I told you to click on primary. That's why this has already been done, right? Shop, contact us, and account. But here, if we see, we don't have our policy thing. So what I will do, just a minute, click on this one, select menu. Right now we have selected main menu that we have created. So main menu is okay. Okay, our policy has been added. right? So yeah, everything is done here already, so we don't need, we have successfully created our plan here. And if you want to change, if you want to change their sequence, then you can do that. I have shown you actually. I'll show you again. Click on customization, then head over to menu, click on this one, and I can go with this one, right? As you can see, our policy is now right. Then we hit on enter. So it has been done. So our header is looking like this right now, and I think it is fine. Let's go ahead and upload a logo, which is very important for you. So we'll go to site identity, we'll go with site title, and here we can select our logo. So let's select our logo. As I have already provided you this picture, all you need to do is select this one, and this, like this. I can select skip cropping, and here you can see. Okay, let me show you. The dimension of this logo is 262 by 70 pixel. So if you want to create your logo, so make sure that your dimension are similar to like this. That if your dimension will be like this, then it will look much better. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it has already been done. I need to hit on publish. If I want, I can have logo and title as well, but I don't want to have title, so I'll just go with logo. And as you can see, site title is pet shop. So if you click on this one, then title will come along. Okay, now let hit on publish. Here, see, it's looking fine, right? Our shop page is like this. We have created two products in our previous video. In our policy, we have not created anything. In contact us, we have not created anything. My account page is by default made by WooCommerce. So you can see here we have options for account, which is looking fine. In our upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can, make changes in my account as well. So we have successfully created our header, and as you can see, it is very simple, guys. And you don't need to set anything because I have already, done it. And there is one more important thing that we need to look into. Since my colors are like this, if you want to change your color, right, so all you need to do, guys, is go to general settings and then go to colors, as you can see. So you can change your colors like this, guys, and if you want, you'll have a set of colors here, and you can change them according to your needs, right? And there are a bunch of things here. As you can see, title above, content background. You can change the color of footer as well, right? Let's go ahead and see what are the other things. We have successfully created our header. Now we are going to create our footer. So creating a footer is very easy as well, guys. All you need to do is hit on footer, and here we have widgets. So we need to set our widgets for sure. Okay, so let's set this widget 4. So here you can have many widgets, but in our website, the one that I have shown you, there are only 3 widgets, but if you want, you can add more widgets as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can set these widgets. That once you click on widget 4, this setting here, and then you need to click on paragraph, right? After that, I'll be providing you one more thing. You need to, here you need to search for new text document. Okay, guys, a quick jump in order to show you where you can download that file. All you need to do is go to the description of my video, and here you will be seeing this link, guys. Link to my blog. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to my blog. Inside my blog, you will be seeing this option to download now. Once you click on it, you'll be getting a drive link, guys. All you need to do is click on download now. After downloading, you need to extract it, guys, and I'll show you. The file will look like this. All you need to do is extract it for any other software. Once you extract it, you will be able to get this file, and inside that file you will be getting this document which you need to copy paste. Okay guys, you can continue with this video. Thank you so much. Now you need to select this, copy it, and now you need to paste it. See, this has already been done. You don't need to set this one. I find that you will find difficulty on creating this one, so I've created this for you, and all you need to do is copy this text from here and then paste it, right? So once it is done, guys, it is going to look like this. Now we need to set our widgets. So we need to create widgets from here. Just a minute. We need to create menus for footer as well. So let's enter one widget. Let's enter next. We need to add item. So for that, let's enter shipping policy, refund policy. Okay, so yeah, shipping policy. Let's enter refund policy is not available here. Okay, I think just a minute. It is in draft, right? So we need to click on it, and then we need to publish it. Once we will publish it, we'll have an option for that. Now we need to publish many things, guys. So let's. So this is the shortcut that you can do. Privacy policy is updated. I just click on quick edit and then head over to this one, and then I selected publish. Okay, and then I hit on update. So it has made. So if I publish it, let's add more item to it. Shipping policy, refund policy. Still I'm not getting the option. Let me refresh it again. Hmm. Click on menus. We have name our menu one, and then we need to click on this one. We have refund policy. Okay, we'll have a privacy policy, terms and services. Okay, so let's hit publish. Now create second menu like this. We need to enter two more menus here, right? So first we have already created, and second one we are creating right now. So for this one I wanted to have contact us first, and after contact us I wanted to have my account page. After my account page I wanted to have tracking page. Actually tracking page is not available here. Let's see. Don't have any tracking page. Okay, let's create a tracking page, guys. Track. Okay, hit on publish. I'm going to show you how you can create track page as well, so there is no need to worry. Let me publish it first. Now you have an option for track order as well. Here, track order. Now last what we can add. Let's see. Track order, privacy policy, contact us. I think this is it. If you want, you can have shop page as well. Let's hit on publish. Right, so we have successfully created. Now we need to click on this one. In widget 3 we need to select our menu. In order to select our menu, what we need to do, guys, we need to select this one. Click on this one, and then you will get an option for legacy widget. If you are not getting that option, then search it out, and then you will be getting this option. Click on this one, and in widget I need to select navigation menu, and in navigation menu I need to select, let's select second one, because I want second one first. And need help, but and then hit on publish, guys. So one widget has already been entered. Now we need to select this one, and then again select this one, legacy widget, then select navigation menu. I can enter something like needful links or something like that. useful useful links. Okay, let's select this one, let's select one, and then hit on publish, guys. Now it is looking like this. As you can see, it is looking much better right now, right? So yeah, that is it, guys. As you can see, our footer has been made, and it is very easy to create footer as well. Now let's refresh it here, as you can see, right? And there is one more thing that I wanted to tell you, that all the customization has already been done, right? So if we go to mobile version, as you can see, it will look like this, which is again looking like fine. Okay, and there is one more thing that I wanted to tell you, that you can change color. You can do absolutely anything. If you wanted to change color, you can change color. You can change widget content. Okay, you can change, if you want, you can have column border. If you want, you can have top row background. You can do anything, right? So there is one more important thing that we need to understand, that in desktop mode I went ahead and selected 3. If I selected 4, then this actually right now is not mobile version. Right now is not. Just a minute, let me show you. Since this one is, let me show you. See, now I have selected this sort of a thing, which means 25, 25 and 50. This one is 25, this one is 25, this one is 50. But before that I have selected this one, right? But in tablet view, what I have done, I wanted to have this sort of a thing, that the first one will have all the space, and then second two will divide it 50-50. Okay, now in desktop version you can see all of them are like this, but I have selected it like this. So this is taking much space than these two. So these are the settings that I wanted to show you, because these are important if you want to have customization. And similarly in mobile version I have selected this one, which means everyone will have spacing, because there is not much space. If you see, if I selected this one, then it will divide it like this, which is not looking good, right? So I've selected this one. So let's hit on publish, and yeah, that is it, guys. And this is how easy it is to create a footer, right? So yeah, here we have footer background. Let me show you how we can change it. See, this is changing. You can enter any color you want from anywhere. See, black color is looking so amazing right now, and depending on the color you need to change your text color as well, right, guys? So right now I don't want that. previous one is looking fine, so I'll publish it. Okay, so yeah, that is how we have done it. And let's go ahead with this one. We have successfully created our header, we have successfully created our footer, and our page is looking like this. Okay, and if you wanted to have, this cart, there is one more thing that I wanted to, instead of having our policy page in main now, you can add track order, which is much more useful to anyone, right? So if we go to our policy, let's remove this one, let's add item track order. So yeah, after shop we'll have track order. See, just a minute, let me show you one more thing. So if you want to have sub menu in parent menu, then you can do that. As you can see, I've done it. If I hit on publish, it will show up here. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Mm, our policy has already been removed, as you can see, and our track order page is there. But there is one more thing that I have set it inside my account page. Why is it looking like this? See, so it was not refreshed. As you can see in my thing, what I have done here in menu, I have put this contact us page below track order. So it is looking like this right now, right? And let me show you how it will look here. As you can see, it will look like this here. Okay, so you can add sub menu, I've shown you, and if you don't want that, let's click on it and hit on publish. Now it is looking much better, as you can see. And yes, with this we have completed our header and footer settings. I've shown you how you can change colors and how you can add each and everything. And if you want, there are so many things that you can do. uh, let me show you one more thing which I think is good for you. So just scroll to bottom, right, guys? Let me show you. It is looking like this right now, huh? If you want, you can change it. Here you can see it will look like this. I think this one is looking much better, right? So let's hit on publish. If you want, you can have it in left as well, but mostly it will look nice in right. So let's enter this one. Okay. mm, you can change the color, as you can see, initial color or selected color. Initial color is this one, as you can see, this one. When I hover over to this, it will look like this. Okay, so you can change it as per your convenience. And yeah, if you see, you can change this cart page as well, guys. Here we'll have cart. If you want, you can have this cart, right? Pop-up cart. Pop-up cart. In pop-up cart, what will happen if you click on it? It will slide like this. Let's go with pop-up cart. It look nice, so let's go with pop-up cart. Let me refresh it. Let me show you. It won't look. It won't pop up, or it won't pop out on desktop version, but it will pop out in mobile version or tablet version, as you can see. It's looking nice. Let's go to shop page. Let's add item to cart. I've successfully added it. See, it is looking like this. Once customer will click on checkout, it will redirect to the checkout page. Right? So that is how it is going to look like. So we have successfully created our header and footer. If you have any question regarding that, please let me know in the comment section. And there is one more thing. If you wanted to change this copyright text, then you can change it as well. Let me show you how. All you need to do is go to footer, footer, and now you need to click on copyright. Okay. So in many websites you have seen that if there is a copyright, there is also year that will be mentioned. So what you can do, you can mention like this: year 2022. If you don't want, you can enter this set title. Okay. And if you don't want this, you can also enter something like made with love. Let's search love emoji. Okay, here is emojipedia. Here we can copy it from here, and then we will enter it here. See, it is looking like this: made with love by Ecom Himalaya. If you want, you can have your name, guys. So you can have something like this. Let's publish it. Right. Let's refresh it. See, this is looking like this right now. Okay. Alright guys, with this we have successfully created our header and footer. If you have any doubt regarding them, please let me know in the comment section. That is it for today's video. I thought that we'll be covering more, but since the video is already being long, so I've decided to post another video and have not included this one.